Hey, what's going on, fam? Welcome to the FOMO channel. I am Mr. FOMO himself. Hope everyone's having a great day out there and happy Friday to all of you. By the time you see this video, it will be Friday, and it is a beautiful Friday indeed. Well, first and foremost, thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel. You guys are absolutely fantastic. Thank you for all the comments and everything regarding all the videos that I've been doing. There haven't been many, but I'm slowly starting to push out the videos. You know, there's 2 days ago to the video, so today I'll be doing another video, which is this video here. Now, let's talk about my favorite thing at the moment, and it is my breakfast of all days. It is baked beans. Now, as you guys can see, I'm down on 11 referrals, which is fantastic. I just want to thank, again, I can't thank you guys enough. You guys are the best. So I am earning close to the extra 0.5% more. Now, if you guys are worried, or if you guys don't know exactly how the referral works, you can just jump in here quickly, have a little read of the referral system. Yep, so it's a one-time referral bonus only, but to get that extra rebate, I need to constantly be getting my referrals up. So I've got myself up here the 0.5% daily, which is 3.5%. As you go down, you can see you can get 4% at 25. 5. I know one of the guys called Marco, a friend of mine, who's also YouTube as well. He's 61 referrals already, which is kind of crazy, guys. You know, look, keep going up, guys. It is absolutely fantastic. Now, baked beans themselves, if you guys have been in here recently, sure you will have 3,660 beans. That is kind of crazy. Closing in on that big 1 million, yeah, $935,000. Beans price has gone up to 255. When we started, it was 240 something. Now, if you guys are aware, when my first video was done, so I'm not going to play the video, regarding baked beans, I think it should be here. Let's go back a little bit here, and I'm sure we'll see it. Yep, you can see that I already rebaked a few times already, and you can see my wallet there was 0.79 is where I started, and today we are at 1.2. So at 1.4, obviously, I would have doubled my money already, you know, doubled what I would have put in here and what I can draw out. Now, the max draw out is 5 BNBs. That's what I'm trying to get to. I'm trying to get to the max. And to do that, what I do is basically, if you guys haven't seen that before, let's just do it once again. So I quickly rebake. And this is how I rebake, really simple and easy. And my rebake is done. And there you go. And it'll come up again, and look, time passed, 7 days, 17 hours. Now, on the 9th day and 10th day, you can draw out. You can actually draw out, is my understanding. Now, I will clarify that again, so you see my Boolean rewards are 0 again, and it'll start again at 0, and I'm at 1.23 already. So I've just been rebaking like crazy every once in a while, you know, trying to get this baby all the way up. I obviously wanted to had that 5 BNB, so 3% of that on a daily basis. Then it's every 10 days you're getting your beans, right? So every 10 days you can eat. So you just got to value out what that is. There's also a great guy by the name of I don't know if you've seen it. He's got a new YouTube channel. Baked beans themselves on the Discord. If you go on the Discord, you can see this calculator available as well. I'm just going to jump on the Discord really quickly, guys. You're going to see some of my awesome messages on Discord, which is always fun. So I know on the Discord themselves they have got the calculator. I don't know if you guys saw that today. I'll just jump over to baked beans over here. I'm in baked beans already. Going to general. I know there's a calculator. So I did see that calculator earlier today. I'm not sure if it's still there. As you can see, it's really. It really is quite full on in here. The community is very engageable. People are always, you know, getting into there. So the FAQs, there's a video as well. So right there. Where is the FAQs though? That's the key, isn't it? Where is the FAQs? Twitter. Crypto FAQs right here. This is the baked beans calculator. I'm gonna Oh, I have to do it as a specialty. Okay, I'm going to set it up on my other computer, which has obviously has the Google, obviously has the Excel spreadsheet on there, so it might be easier for me to do it on that computer instead. But yeah, it is available. There is a calculator. You can see how much you can. Basically, you can go in there, how much you can compound, and where the compound takes you. From the compounding, you can decide on what you're going to do anyway. So anyway, baked beans, fantastic so far. I mean, guys know I love this project a lot. The original project went to 15 million, sorry, and this one's already at 1 million. Now we are in the bear market. Now, if this was not a bear market price, you're probably looking at $450, which would make this a $2.5 to $2.6 million opening in 7 days. That's quite fantastic already. Really excited. Look, do check it out. Let me know where you guys are at as well, how you guys beans are doing. Put it down in the comments. I'm just going to give a BUSD $20 to the person with the best comment regarding baked beans and their love for baked beans. So put down your love for baked beans and I will give you 20 USD to the best comment down in the comment section. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. That's all from me. Don't forget to subscribe and like, because I am awesome. Don't FOMO into shit projects. Make sure to check the projects out first. Baked beans is a trusted project. We all know it did 15 million the first time round. And we all know that Kratos runs a great project out there. Some of the good YouTubers, you can see all the best YouTubers are on this already. Some of the big ones are on this as well. Now, I'm hoping that others jump on this gravy train as well. It's still early days as well. Only 7 days in. Going on to the 8th day. Remember, you can withdraw on the 10th. And don't forget to compound. Compound is the 8th wonder of the world, or the FOMO wonder of the world, if you look at it that way. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. Subscribe, like. Have a fantastic day out there. Peace.